Honey, a natural remedy for colds. Hello everyone! Today, I want to talk about one of nature's most remarkable gifts, honey. Not only is it a delicious treat, but it has also been celebrated for centuries for its natural healing properties. In particular, honey has been recognized as a powerful remedy for the common cold. Let's explore why. The common cold is something most of us experience regularly. It can cause a sore throat, coughing, congestion, and general fatigue. While there are many medications available, sometimes the best approach is a natural one. This is where honey shines. First, honey has antibacterial and antiviral properties. It contains compounds like hydrogen peroxide and flavonoids, which help fight harmful microorganisms. When you consume honey during a cold, these properties can help reduce the number of bacteria and viruses in your throat, providing relief from irritation and discomfort. Second, honey is a natural cough suppressant. Research has shown that taking honey can reduce the frequency and severity of coughing, especially in children. A warm teaspoon of honey, either on its own or mixed in herbal tea, can soothe the throat and calm persistent coughs, allowing for better rest and faster recovery. Another benefit of honey is its anti-inflammatory effect. During a cold, the throat and nasal passages often become inflamed, leading to soreness and discomfort. Honey can help reduce this inflammation naturally, providing gentle relief without the side effects of over-the-counter medications. Honey also acts as a moisturizer for the throat. When you are sick, dry air, coughing, and congestion can make your throat feel scratchy and sore. Honey's thick, sticky texture coats the throat, helping to protect it and reduce irritation. This is especially helpful when combined with warm drinks like tea or lemon water. Additionally, honey is a source of natural antioxidants. These antioxidants can help strengthen your immune system, making it easier for your body to fight off the cold virus. Regular consumption of honey may help reduce the severity and duration of symptoms. It is important to note that not all honey is created equal. For maximum benefits, choose raw, unprocessed honey. This type of honey retains the natural enzymes, vitamins, and minerals that give it its healing properties. Avoid highly processed or pasteurized honey, as these often lose many of their therapeutic benefits. For practical use, you can take honey in several ways during a cold. A teaspoon of raw honey directly up to 2 or 3 times a day. Mixed into warm water or herbal tea with a squeeze of lemon for extra vitamin C. Combined with ginger or cinnamon to enhance its antibacterial and soothing effects. Honey is not only effective but also safe for most people. However, remember never to give honey to children under 1 year of age due to the risk of botulism. For everyone else, honey is a gentle, natural, and effective remedy that can help you feel better faster. In conclusion, honey is much more than a sweetener. It is a natural powerhouse with antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and soothing properties that make it an excellent ally against the common cold. Incorporating honey into your daily routine during cold season can help reduce symptoms, support your immune system, and provide comfort when you feel under the weather. So next time you feel a cold coming on, reach for a jar of raw, natural honey. Your throat, your taste buds, and your body will thank you. Remember, nature often provides the best solutions, and honey is a perfect example of that timeless wisdom. Thank you for listening, and I hope you'll embrace honey as a natural, effective remedy for colds. Stay healthy and take care.